Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account in 2025. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Instagram app and after then log in with your email address and password. And here you will get an option of the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and then click on this three vertical bar. And if you see options here, normally you will get an option account center. Click on it and scroll down, and here you will get an option accounts. Click on it, and if you scroll down you will get that account ownership and control. Click again on it, and here you are going to get an option deactivation or deletion. Click on it, choose your Instagram account and choose delete account and choose an option. I'm choosing privacy concerns. Continue and again continue. Finally provide your password here. Continue, and after that one last thing, that is click on this delete account. And that's it. We have successfully deleted our Instagram account. Remember that it will be deleted after 30 days as Meta only allows it deleting your account after 30 days. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.